Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing this brand new Apple iPhone 16 Plus. Alright, so today we did get the Apple iPhone 16 Plus. This one here is in the ultramarine. They do offer it in black, white, pink, as well as green, but we went with the ultramarine. It looks really nice. This one has a camera control. You can get the perfect photo while barely lifting your finger. So not only do you take it from the screen, it does have an action button on the side. It has a new wide ultra camera for up closer pictures. It has the photographic style, which you can change up, you can change it back. It has a boosted battery, up to 27 hours of video playback from the iPhone 16 Plus and 22 hours on playback from the 16. This is rocking the A18 chip, which is a super fast, super smart chip. The action button, it does more. You can wait less. Have you no signal? There's also a satellite option, so if you got no signal, you can use the satellite option. So this one here is the ultramarine. You do not get the power brick, but you do get the Type-C charging cable. This is a super nice phone. We like the ultramarine. Again, they do offer it in the black. They have white, pink, and green. So you have other colors to choose from their standard colors. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the glass protector on as well as a case, and then I'll come back and turn it on once it is all connected. Alright, so now we have the case and the glass protector on. This phone is super nice. You can create fun original images that truly are personal to you. It has with cleanup, the camera can remove distracting backgrounds, objects from your photos with just a sap. There's a superpower. Siri will be able to assist you like never before. You have gestations, great powers that come with great privileges. It's super thin and lightweight. It has 2-in-1 48 megapixel fusion camera lens. It lets you take stunning super high resolution images or zoom with 2x optical quality. Telephoto, the ultra wide camera shoots extreme close-up micro photos and wider, more expansive pictures. 4 lenses in your pocket. With the special capture, you can even take photos in real 3D, which can allow you to use the Apple version. It has an ultra wide camera which focuses on the little things, and a big picture. It has really good 4K. You can bring a whole new dimension to your photos and videos. This one has definitely been an upgrade from the 15 Plus. So this iPhone 16 Plus is definitely a nice phone, and I highly recommend it.